In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data on Clickup. Exporting data can be an invaluable asset, whether you need a backup of your tasks, want to share information with a team member, or run analyses using external tools. So, let's break down the process, step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to Clickup, you can confidently navigate through it. First, open Clickup and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace that contains the data you wish to export. It's crucial to ensure that you're in the correct workspace, as exporting data from the wrong one might not give you the results you expect. Once you're in the desired workspace, head over to the Spaces section, located on the sidebar to the left of your screen. This section is essentially the hub of your projects within a workspace. Here, you'll see all your existing spaces, which are essentially collections of related tasks and projects. Select the specific space that contains the lists and tasks you want to export. Let's say you have multiple projects in various spaces. Picking the right one ensures accuracy. Click on the space to open it. Now, look towards the top of the screen, where you'll find different view options. Click on Views, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose List View. This action will display all the tasks within the space, making it easier to manage and identify what exactly you need to export. Once you have the list view in front of you, look for the ellipsis icon or three dots, usually located at the corner of the task list view. Click on these three dots to open a menu with multiple options. From the menu, you'll see the Export option. Clicking on this will present you with several formats you can export your data in, such as CSV, Excel, or PDF. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For instance, if you intend to manipulate or analyze your data in an external application like Excel, selecting the CSV format would be ideal. Once you click on your chosen format, the download process should commence automatically. Depending on your workspace's size and data volume, the download might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a quick coffee as you wait. Upon completion, you should find your data neatly exported in the specified format and saved in your computer's download folder or any other preset location you've selected for downloads. With this file, you can now share, analyze, or simply store your data securely. Exporting data from Clickup not only creates a backup but also allows you the flexibility to work with your information in various versatile ways. I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of Clickup's capabilities, enhancing the way you handle your projects.